Hey, brother, do me a favor. Come here. Hey, stop. Close pursuit. Fuck you. Sam 5, I'm hit. Shots fired. Sam 5, I'm hit multiple times. Send meds. Suspect down.
My daughter! My daughter! Mom! My daughter! Mom! Got that shot, man? Oh, that was my daughter! Mom, you okay?
Sam 5, that's a firm.
So you hit?
Yeah, I'm hitting the leg. I don't know where else.
I see we're 5, we have deputy hit. I'm gonna cover him up, keep lethal.
Copy.
Anybody else inside?
This is the only suspect.
Here, take the gun.
Holster shield, holster.
Over there!
All right. Where you hit? This leg, I don't know where else.